Hello, good morning. We have some heavy rain arriving across parts of Scotland as we go through today, and that is gradually going to make its way southwards. Starting off looking at this morning, and you can see a wet start across many parts of Scotland, particularly towards the north and west, and we are going to see some further heavy totals building up as we go through today. Coming on the back of the heavy torrential rain we saw over the weekend, we are likely to see some further impacts, some further flooding and disruption to travel here. That rain does make its way southwards into more southern parts of Scotland and into Northern Ireland as we head through the afternoon, and there could be a few spells of rain across more northern parts of England and Wales as well. But further south, it's largely dry and bright. Plenty of sunshine around, although due to some high-level cloud, that sunshine could be a bit hazy at times. We are going to still be in the warm air across more southern areas, and so here temperatures well above average for the time of year, generally getting into the low 20s, a little bit cooler further north. Through the end of the day on Tuesday, we are going to see that rain continuing to push its way southwards, so some heavy spells of rain affecting northern parts of England before a swathe of wet weather feeds in across parts of Wales and into the Midlands as we go through the early hours of Wednesday. Further south of this, it is going to be largely dry but cloudy. Further north, here we have cooler air, colder air feeding its way in, and that brings a scattering of showers, but also some strong winds across parts of Scotland as well. There'll be a real contrast in our temperatures tonight across Scotland. It's going to be around 10 degrees colder than it will be further south, where it's likely to be another relatively mild start to the day. As we go through Wednesday, that front across central parts continues to bring some heavy spells of rain as it gradually makes its way southwards. It makes slow progress, and so far southern counties of England holding on to the dry weather for quite a while, but that rain will arrive here later. Further north, yes, we have some sunny skies feeding their way in, but also a scattering of showers, some strong winds, and because of that colder air, I am expecting some of those showers to bring some sleet or snow over the highest ground of Scotland. Looking at our daytime highs, and again there'll be a real contrast in our temperatures. Highs just about getting into double figures across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland and the far north of England, but still clinging on to the low 20s further south. If we look at the bigger picture, and you can see why there's going to be that contrast in temperatures with cold air plunging its way in from the north. But as that frontal system across southern areas clears away towards the south, yes, it will bring some outbreaks of rain before it pushes away, but it is going to allow for that cold air to become a bit more widespread. You can keep up to date across our social media, our website and our app about the full forecast wherever you are. Bye-bye.